Don't tell my wife about all this, these dirty filters. Okay, they're a little overdue. Snitches get stitches, I want you to know this. Okay? Just watch yourself. Just watch yourself, that's all. In modern day America, your furnace filters are typically located right here on the wall, where they're easy to get to, so there's really no excuse for them to get that dirty. Right? Yeah. One thing you want to do, I got the cheap ones. I'm going to have to step up the game a little bit next time. Of course, these are fine if you're replacing them every 30 days like you should, but I put the date that I replaced them and when they're due. I'm going to run 60 days on this, but I'm going to set it in my phone to remind myself when they need replaced, because you know, it's hard on your system when you let that go too long. Now, this one's here pretty bad too. It's very simple to do. You just pull those levers back, like say. This even will come out. Okay, there's little hinges here. They hook into some slots right here on this whole thing. It's really, really convenient. And these were supposed to be changed in May. Okay. Again, don't tell my wife about that. Sorry, furnace fan, for making you work so hard. Got some relief. They just pop right in. This is a 20 by 20, 1 inch. Pops right in. When your furnace filter's clogged up like that, it really makes your system work hard. This system's only 2 years old. I don't want to burn it up, you know, right away. I want it to last a couple of years more anyway. So that's how simple it is to change a furnace filter, and that's why there's no excuse in letting them get that dirty. Remember, do not let the wife know about that. There's online companies you can sign up for and get your filters sent to your house automatically, which is not a bad idea if you're a little bit forgetful like myself. Otherwise, make sure you're changing them out. If you do it like the first of every month, you know, it's real easier to remember that way. That's today's tip. Hey, you saw the bad ones, the really overdue ones. Now you're going to see a couple that were not quite 2 months in there. They're much better condition. But I'm even moving it back from 2 to 1 month now. So I don't have to deal with these dirty filters, and it's easier on your system. You can see I put them on July 15th, and it's actually, I don't know, third. I changed these a couple days ago, so I think I changed them on about the 1st of September. So about 6 weeks. Not bad. This one here is heavy. I can't remember. I think this one was up closer to the main part of the house here, the front one, and then there's one in the back that there's not a lot of activity back that away, so I can see a difference. I didn't even really notice that. Didn't even really notice that when I changed them out the other day, but today, I don't even know what the date is. This is where they should be, in this range here. So it's a little comparison. Those other ones were far, far, far overdue. If you're going to pay $12,000 to have a HVAC system installed in your house, you know, you might want to take care of it. It's a good idea to keep these filters up to date. And if you buy the cheap ones like this, then absolutely make sure that you're doing them once a month. If you're buying more expensive ones that go longer than 30 days between cleanings, or you buy the kind that you can clean out, make sure you're cleaning them and reusing them in 30 days. It's really kind of amazing how fast they get dirty, how quickly they clog up. And when they do that, they're making that fan, that motor and fan in the air handler work really hard. Sometimes it breaks the fan, and sometimes it burns the motor up, especially if you have an older unit. If you have a if you're a landlord and you've got this right here is a easy maintenance issue to protect your much larger investment of the furnace and so forth. So something to think about. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to sub. Bye bye.